OKFM 101.7.
Why na dey akwada ne ko school?
Akwada no.
Yeah.
From the start, I did.
School ben.
Oh, I didn't go school or soon. So I don't say my money.
Enti Akuapem Poloo na dey akwada ne ko school.
From the start, me I did.
When na dey akwada ne ko school osuhum.
No, there be. So I didn't call you no. So na me nim ho, and I miss na Satan no. Can say me ni ho. And so na akwada no call you no. Bibia na yakasa wo phone so. Enti osi wako bisa school amakwala no wakonya school amano na say ni and I'm say okay enti me send bibi like school fees no me send bibi
O send bibi
yeah
but when to school fees ni na
said ya obeka no eno na meye because ono na ye mother no enti ono na onim the upper
when busa say school fees ni say na when to school fees na ma no but obusa obibi de obenya bia na de ama no
oh no busa me say me man say o say o rush me person unto we mami not away mami na school fees no aka we would was so okay fine na ma yeah
okay apart from Muhammad Modasru Yakubu eba woni Akuapem Poloo won o wo ba bi o
me pa cho ai
o wo ma sen
me no
Muhammad ene wo other child ana wo ma mienu wo ba bi foforo baako ono nso o hwan chen
ono ni mami ho
na adenti na oni wo ma men chen adenti na wo ba ni wo chen
o say adenti na me ba ni mi chen
ane
oh say ono ni mami no omo fiewa na I was saying you worry and so but now because my first mistake dada and to me person made the same mistake and no me no war but me person like me person me no one dey antina ontina na
it was second one no eba after Muhammad right
yeah
it was no dey saying
ono banya 3 years June
Ushi Akuapem Poloo ewo Airpost Club 2010 na obenyi say na owo 2013 no na adwuma ben no ye
oh so I'm not a student now before me share no a student
was school ben
oh of course maybe free
obetena wo fie
no there be
wantena wo fie
there be say me share no a student oh Michelle no a student and on okay Michelle no a student but yeah oko school am say boarding school and time I met who na like many started say date was 2010
into 2010 and now oko club no
that was the first day I met me who say oh like am say my school what do obi chi e dey appear like obi a one yin sin kakra na ne pan ni pie say o e bia menua wa we school nti ye kokrom kaji yani
enti student wo shia no na ode ne call ne papa ene ne maame ho obi a we school young girl na okọ kache ni pe
no there be after kura there be say me shia no and say me share no na me ni ko ye bibia na be say it's enough for years
when it nanti for years
yeah
okay
no it's enough for years now you pay until it's enough for years yeah bibia together we pay that's what I'm
no friend baby ya no so afro say
rush
rush o friend Akuapem Poloo baby ya no so afro say
yes sir o ka sa o sa there me friend no baby ya
friend baby ya
yeah no so for me rush
open or still
oh me pen no I don't know so pen
Akuapem Poloo still open
me don't have
when was the last time I on in the show so
oh no I just had a long time just say I don't know what you now doing say she wants to achieve some things before. Wow. And I'm out of time.
After one ne wo ya obefa akwala no call ne ma me ho mo share bio mo nante kakra.
Oh no, there. Just say yeah, I mean the call like a friend say we be yen ko sum ko sra akwala no ye call.
Oh, otumi ebe foul ma mo call all the way to Suhum e ko sra akwala no masan baba.
Ye ko Suhum sa back to Accra.
One in it car, mo private car na say commercial car.
Oh, before now on the car until yeah, commercial.
Oh, ti woni Akuapem Poloo nyina tena trotro mu na mo akwhwe akwala na osun. Na mo san tena trotro mu aba. Eh, ene mo dom ho pa. Obi amagyae.
No, onim.
Mo ba ni nti mutumi tena trotro mu ko sun mu san fruit trotro san ba back.
Onim before no say you were no you were plants. Until all of a sudden the plants in our say yeah. So sometimes or feel say we can work out, like we can work things out. And Mr. Sa, but you know now we are two different people. And so sometimes when person say I'll be calling her or I'll be forcing myself. I mean I don't do that.
OKFM 101.7.